Okay. So we were talking about the auto reversal journal process, right? So here you can reverse journals automatically by running a process. Okay, the ability to submit a journal reversal automatically allows you to automate and streamline your journal reversal process. Okay, so if the organization routinely generates and posts a large number of journal reversals as a part of the month end or month end closing and opening procedures using the automatic reversal functionality, it saves time and reduces entry errors, okay, for the organization. So there is a new ledger option called as launch auto reverse after open period that you can enable to have the journal reversals automatically generated when an accounting period is opened for the ledger. Okay, so basically you first define your journal reversal criteria set, which I just mentioned in the previous slide. To you set your journal criteria set to automatically reverse and optionally post journals. Then after creating your journal reversal criteria set, then you assign them to the ledgers. Okay, so your journal reversal criteria set can be shared and assigned to multiple ledgers. All right, so that is an option here. Then after the automatic reversal option is set to reverse, okay, and it posts automatically, the auto post process posts all the reversal journals that were generated by the auto reverse process, okay, to your general ledger. Okay, then the general ledger automatically creates the auto reverse execution report. Okay, once it is auto reverse, the general ledger will create a report called as your auto reverse execution report. Then when the auto reverse process completes successfully, the report prints the journal name and reversal period for each journal that is successfully reversed and whether the reversal journal is submitted for posting or not. Okay, so this is the report which gives all that information about your journal entries. Then after this, the auto post execution report is created, okay, which helps you in diagnosing if there are any problems in auto reversal, or if you have to verify that all journals were posted and processed properly or not. So that report is generated after your journal entries are reversed, which is called the posting execution report. Okay, so basically this is the whole process of your auto reverse journals, wherein you define a criteria set, then it goes to your auto reverse process, it gets processed there, then you auto reverse execution report is generated, okay, wherein all your journal reversal names and the journal entry names and the journal name is mentioned in this report. Then after everything is successfully reversed, then the posting execution report is being generated, and which shows you whether all your journal reversals have successfully happened or not. Okay, so any doubts here, anybody? Hello? Hello?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, was there any connection problem? Because I saw my internet was unstable. So was I audible clearly to everyone?
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am. You are
Okay.
audible.
Okay, fine. Okay. So
Sneha?
everybody, yeah.
Sneha? Sneha?
She
Sneha?
was there in the class, no, sir? Has she been logged out?
But yes, she has put in mute. See the
Okay.
Sneha said, okay, ma'am.
Okay, Shrikant, you are there's no doubt, right, in the auto reverse journal process? You're clear with that?
No, I can. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, one request,
Yes,
to all. When the class is going on, don't put your speaker in mute, please, because I don't think if we call, your response is not there. Sneha? Okay, anyway, ma'am,
okay,
you continue.
Chitra ma'am, are you clear with it?
Yeah.
Is new to it. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay, ma'am. Okay, so let's move to the next slide, which is the data access set. Okay. So now we know that general ledger functions and data are secured through job roles. Like, you know, right? Once we create your user, then you assign the job roles to the user, and then you know, give a security rule. Basically, you give access to those job roles, right? Shrikant, sir had also shown you how in the practical class, right? You remember that, right? Hello, Shrikant.
Data access set.
Data.
Data
No,
access set.
yes, he mentioned about data access set. No, that's basically giving authority, you know, to your roles which you assign to the
Ah,
user.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
this is regarding that. Okay. So we know that as the general ledger functions, the data are secured through job roles, data access sets, and security roles. So each job role includes direct privilege grants, right, which provides the access to application functions for their responsibilities. Only when you know, assign, I mean, you assign a role to the user, then only he'll be able to implement a project, right? Otherwise only the user does not. You see, you would have seen the difference. Sure, sir actually showed you when you actually, you know, sign in as a user, you don't get all those tools. The tools are not available to the user. You
Ah,
remember?
yes, ma'am.
Only after
I am,
assigning
ma'am.
those roles of the
Then only it will
implementation,
appear.
yes, yes, correct. So only after that those tools are available to the user, right? Only after assigning the roles. So basically data access sets, it gives a privilege grant which provides access to your application functions for the responsibilities. So when a data access set is created, roles are automatically created for that data access set. Okay, like there are 5 roles which are generated for each data access set, which are the CFO, your chief financial officer, your controller, your general accounting manager, your general accountant, and your financial analyst. So data access sets secure access to your ledgers or your ledger sets. Okay, for example, when we have primary balancing segment values assigned to a legal entity or a company, then you can use this feature to secure access to specific legal entities. Okay, so you can define your roles, you know, your authority, your approval for a specific legal entity, whether a particular user can access data from it or not, or even if he can access data, to up till what level he can access that data. Okay, so that's basically your data access. And here in the figure you can see, okay, that a data access set consists of access set type and an access level. So the access set type can be set to your full ledger or your primary balancing segment values. Okay, so the access level can be read only or read and write. Okay, so the full ledger access set type provides access to your entire ledger or ledger sets. Okay, this could be for read only or read only, read and write access to the entire ledger. Same way is with the primary balancing segment value, wherein you can set it either for read only or read and write. So let us see an example of how the data access set security works. So basically this example shows a data access set that secures access by using a primary balancing segment values, okay, that correspond to your legal entities, right? So this is a data access set for the US financial services ledger. The access type is primary balancing balance segment value, with each primary balancing segment value representing different legal entities. Okay, so there is a read only access, okay, which has been assigned to primary balancing segment value 131, okay, which represents the insurance legal entity. All right, so here you understood this, right? For this particular legal entity, which is 131 of the insurance, the user can view the journals, view the balances, view and run reports. That is it. He cannot edit or change anything. So for him, the access given is only to, read only. Okay, so he cannot do any amendments or changes or edit, nothing he can do. He can just view these journals and balances and the reports. Okay, whereas the read and write access has been assigned to the primary balancing segment values for 101 and 102, which is your banks and capital legal entities. Okay. For this data access set, the user can view the journals, the balances and reports for this legal entity, and the user can create or update balances also. So you can see the difference here. What is the data access set? You basically can define your data access set to either read only or read and write only. All right. So this is basically what a data access set means. Is everyone clear with it? Yeah. Yes, Chitra ma'am, do you have any doubts in this?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay. Shrikant and Sneha?
Sneha has texted that she couldn't able to
Oh, she's not able to
turn
join.
on her mic, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. She has joined, but she couldn't able to turn on her mic.
Okay,
She
okay,
had
fine,
some
fine.
audio issues.
Okay, fine, fine. No problem, no problem. So everybody is clear with this, right? So we'll just move to the next slide. Okay. All right. So next is approve journals. Okay, so we use the general ledger's journal approval feature to ensure that journal entries and batches are approved by appropriate management personnel. Okay, before the journals can be posted to the accounts balances. So the journal approval rules allow you to set and define policies which are then applied to your approval workflows. So you configure journal approval rules in the BPM work list, the business project process management work list application using the setup and maintenance work area. You remember, are these terms familiar, Shrikant? The setup and
This
maintenance
process
work area?
management.
Yeah, the business process management work list, wherein you
Yes,
go
ma'am.
into your setup and maintenance work area. Okay, there you can there's an extension called as manage task configuration for financials. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so there you can build rules based on your amount or approval level, or even the user stage in the period close process. Okay, like beginning of the month or end of the month. So let us see the example for this. So you can basically, in that criteria set, you can put a condition saying that a user, okay, an employee, okay, like let us take a purchase requisition, the payables department only. Okay, when a person raises a purchase requisition, okay, if the amount of that particular purchase requisition is less than rupees 50,000, there is no approval required. Okay, so he himself can approve the purchase requisition and go ahead and make a purchase order. Okay, then there is another condition that's been put. If at all, if the purchase requisition is a bit above rupees 15,000 but within rupees 1 lakh, there is one level of approval required, which is at your manager level. So that employee will what do you say, he will forward your requisition to your manager for approval. Okay, then there is hello, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Audible, ma'am.
Yeah, it's
Because
audible.
my internet is unstable, so that's the reason I was like, I thought, okay.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, okay, fine. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. So then there's another condition where you can put, suppose if your purchase requisition is above rupees 1 lakh, there is a 2-level approval required. Okay, so the user, your sales manager, sales executive will further forward it to your manager, because the manager can approve only up till rupees 1 lakh. So this is again, he will further forward it to his general manager, who has the authority to approve it above rupees 1 lakh. Okay, so this is basically the approved journals, wherein you put your criteria sets and the rules, approval actions is being taken accordingly. All right, so is everyone clear with what approved journals means? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. This is Fusion Accounting Hub, okay, which is also called, hello? Yeah, so this is Fusion Accounting Hub, which is called as FAH. Okay, so basically the Oracle Fusion Accounting Hub provides a complete set of accounting tools and access to your financial data. Now, FAH allows you to efficiently create detailed and auditable, reconcilable accounting from a variety of source systems. Now, what are these source systems? Your source systems can be your external applications, your Oracle Fusion subledgers, or even customers who are using your JD AdWords Oracle ERP. Okay. So here what happens is the FAH process can begin by using financial data from your these source systems, okay, wherein these source systems you import the data through your SLA engine. Does anybody remember what SLA engine is, Shrikant? I had
Which
actually
engine, ma'am?
mentioned, yeah, SLA engine, subledger account engine. Sorry,
Whereas the
subledger accounting engine.
infusion, the combination of all things, infusion, ma'am, ERP, it's a thing.
Okay. Anyways, basically, it is a rule-based accounting engine, okay, used by the subledgers to create and post entries into your general ledger. Okay, this is an application which can tackle high automated financial processing. All right. So you know what accounting repository is, Shrikant?
Ah, yes, ma'am. Whereas we can recollect it from
Yeah, basically this is a central place where all your accounting data is stored and maintained. Okay, that is what is accounting repository. So
where we can recollect it.
yeah, you can retrieve it, and whatever transactions happen, everything goes and gets stored in your repository. Okay, so that is what repository is. So basically Oracle Fusion Accounting Hub provides the option to bring transactional data from your external systems into the cloud with the use of subledger accounting engine. Okay, so FAH is a very useful solution if you want to utilize a single rule-based accounting engine for various external applications that records your organization's day-to-day transactions. Now, what happens is once you import all these, from your external sources, it goes through your accounting engine, which is also called as the SLA engine, to your repository. Okay, and from there and from the repository, it goes to the general ledger, okay, as an SLA, journal entries, and finally into your balance cube and tables. You remember what balance cubes are?
OLAP cubes where we have.
Yeah, basically, see, balances cube are a place which stores all your financial balances in a multi-dimensional database
Dimensional
for,
way.
yes, correct, in a multi-dimensional database for interactive reporting and analysis. Okay, so basically the balance cube is like the light, at the end of the tunnel for you, okay, for the company. It's the destination where all your transactions want to be. So the financial reporting center then provides financial reports and analysis using the data from the balance cube, okay, which is used by the management for better decision making and productivity. So it also another feature of accounting Oracle Fusion Accounting Hub is that it has a harmonious coexistence integrations with your e-business suite and your PeopleSoft ERPs, the general ledger, okay, wherein you can transfer the accounting balances from the EBS and PeopleSoft to the FAHGL, okay, using the Oracle Hyperion data relationship management. And you can also drill down your financial data to your PeopleSoft general ledger and e-business suite again through the data relationship. So you can see two arrows here, right? You can exchange information between your Fusion Accounting Hub and your e-business suite and PeopleSoft general ledger. Okay, so that's an advantage which Oracle Fusion Hub has. So it basically provides accounting for diverse business system events. Okay, so it also lets you create multi-dimensional self-service reporting and analytics with real-time accounting information. So basically, in a nutshell, the Oracle Fusion Accounting Hub has three implementation scenarios that can be used separately or in conjunction with each other. Okay, which are the coexistence with the EBS or the PeopleSoft general ledger, and it accounts for the diverse transactions which are auditable rule-based accounting, and it can even have an expansion in your financial reporting. So basically this is cloud. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello. Hello.
Now your voice is breaking. Some interruption is there.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, my internet connection is showing unstable, sir. Here, that's the reason.
Yeah. That's
So
now it's clear.
wasn't I audible? From where were you?
Now it's audible, ma'am. Now
Okay.
just a few minutes back.
Okay, sir. So am I now? Is the whole concept
Now it's
clear?
audible.
No,
Yeah.
but was I able to explain the whole process here, sir?
Yeah. That is so.
Okay.
No. You have explained fully.
Okay, I've explained. Fine,
Just
fine.
a few minutes back, one word is missing like that. Okay.
Okay, so Shrikant, Sneha, and Chitra ma'am, are you, and Shankar sir also? Sir, are you?
Sneha is not there, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
So
Sneha
yes,
has
sir.
left.
Oh, she's left.
Sneha
Okay.
has left. Sneha is not there.
Fine,
Okay.
sir. So do you have any doubts as to what Fusion Accounting Hub is? Are things clearer here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Chitra ma'am, I think we'll be sharing the introductory video, ma'am. You will not be, I think, aware of all these ERPs. This is basically, I think
will
sir,
be having
Yesterday,
yes, sir has taken the class, ma'am, about what.
yesterday he has given an overview about the thing, ma'am, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Good, ma'am. So you basically have got an idea as to how what Oracle Fusion is and how it works and what are the modules and the offerings are, ma'am.
Yesterday, sir taught about the thing.
Okay, ma'am. Good.
No,
Yeah,
ma'am. I have not taken offering roles and all, ma'am. Only
he has not taken overview.
because of time constraint, I have taken only over.
Okay, no problem, ma'am. Now Shrikant has become an expert in it, ma'am. I think he can make you understand as to what is it. No, Shrikant?
Yeah, I can take it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. That was not a joke. Okay, I was serious about it. Right? Anyways. So, ma'am, if you have any doubt, you can please, ask here. You can just go through this. And if you are, getting stuck anywhere, please let us know. We'll clear all your doubts. And I think, sir, you'll be sharing I think, Shrikant, you have all the videos, right? So, ma'am can go through that. Yeah, ma'am can go through those videos.
Yeah,
and in case if you have any doubts, ma'am, you please let us know. We'll clear all your doubts. Yeah? So,
sure, ma'am.
So I think that's it for today's class. And tomorrow will be the practical session, which Sethuraman sir will be taking. Right, sir?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah. Sethuraman sir. Yes, sir. Tomorrow you'll be taking the practicals, yes.
Yeah. Tomorrow I'll be taking the practical class, journals and budget.
Okay, fine, sir. So I think, so thank you everyone. That was today's class. So we'll see you tomorrow in the practical session. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
So, okay, have a good night, everybody. Okay, yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Srikant. Thank you, Chitra, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.